Hello everyone, welcome to Kid and Food Diaries. In this video, I'm going to show you a wild flowering plant which is a common medicinal plant largely used in Ayurvedic medicines. I'm sure many of you are familiar with this plant or at least heard the name of this plant. It's nothing but Kutaja. Yes, this is a Kutaja plant which is highly medicinal and used in the preparation of very common Ayurvedic medicine called Kutaja Arishta. Kutaja is a Sanskrit name, but in Kannada we call it as Kodasige, and here in our local language we call it as Kodagasana. The botanical name of the plant is Hollerina antidysentrica. The name itself indicates that the plant is having some therapeutic uses in treating dysentery or diarrhea. It is a tropical wild plant which grows all over India. The bark, the leaves, flowers, spores, and seeds are all having therapeutic uses. Usually it starts producing flower during summer. The flowers are beautiful white in color and has a very mild fragrance. We in our home, we normally make use of these flowers in preparing some recipes. So I remember as a child during our summer vacation we used to go to the nearby places and collect all these wild flowers, bring them home, dry it under the sun and store it for future days. And even now whenever I come across these wild flowers, I make sure that I collect them, bring them home and store it and make use of them for some home remedies or some yummy recipes. So today I'm going to show you one such recipe which we usually prepare using these Kutaja flowers, the dry Kutaja flowers. So we always have this stock of dry Kutaja flower in our home and we make use of them in some of the recipes or home remedies. So today I'm going to show you one such recipe which is prepared using this dry Kutaja flower. I took little bit of ghee in a pan and adding 1 tablespoon of dry Kutaja flowers to it. And I'm going to roast it under low flame for about 30 seconds to 45 seconds, not more than that, otherwise it will get burnt. The color will start changing slightly when it is done. And now I am taking 1 cup of grated coconut to which I am adding this roasted Kutaja flowers, then half a teaspoon of cumin and black pepper. And then we are going to grind it into a very smooth paste by adding little bit of water. So I am taking this smooth mixture of coconut, Kutaja flour, cumin and pepper in a vessel and adding some water to it to get a right consistency. Now I am keeping it over the flame and let it boil. So once it starts boiling, we are adding about half a cup of thick buttermilk. Then add salt as per taste and let it boil for 1 or 2 minutes, not more than that. So we call this recipe as Kutaja Tamli or Kodagasana Tamli, which is usually prepared as home remedy for any kind of stomach illnesses like diarrhea, food poisoning, worm problems, dysentery, indigestion or something like that. Whenever a family member is having such kind of problems, we prepare this recipe and serve this with boiled rice, buttermilk and pickled lemon. So this recipe works best for us because this Kutaja flower is known to have healing properties. It improves digestion and metabolism and it cures diarrhea, dysentery, best remedy for irritable bowel syndrome, intestinal worm infestations. Also it helps in detoxifying the blood. It is also a coolant and it is known to improve the appetite. Overall it is having immense therapeutic values. So when I saw these beautiful flowers one day near our home, I just thought that our Mother Nature holds the best food all the essential nutrients and the safest medicines for us in her lab. We just have to be conscious enough to observe it, appreciate it, and learn to access and utilize it in a right way. With that thought, we come to the end of this video. Hope you liked it. Thank you for watching. See you all soon. Until then, stay healthy and happy.